Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my May Boxycharm unboxing. This is actually my first Boxycharm. As most of you guys know, I do currently receive the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, so I wanted to add a couple more subscriptions to the one that I currently get, and Boxycharm was at the top of my list to try out. So this is my first month. I'm excited to see what's inside it. This is literally fresh out the mail. I grabbed it like 10 minutes ago, but anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to see what's in my May Boxycharm, then just keep watching. According to the little card that it comes with, the theme for this month's box is Make Waves. Since I am a newbie to Boxycharm, I thought that everybody gets the same 5 products. I did take a quiz before I ordered the Boxycharm, and so I'm not sure, does everybody get the same 5 products, or is there a little bit of variation like there is with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? This first item I'm really excited about. The packaging, this like holographic packaging, is super beautiful. But anyways, this is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. So I am definitely going to be trying this out when I take a shower this evening. But anyways, this retails for $28. And it says that it's gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLES free, all skin types approved. So that was just a little information that it said on the card about this. So we shall see. I will be sticking this in my shower to test out. And again, this packaging is just super adorable. So the next product is this Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. Again, this packaging is super cute. And I'm going to show you guys what the colors look like, and then I'll get into the description. So that's what the palette looks like right there. And it says, get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. Formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks, this buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. So that's the information, and also this does retail for $22. But in my honest opinion, these two colors on the ends just look way too orangey to me. They don't really look peach. I know that, you know, it might pick up on camera that they look more peachy. This one in particular just looks straight up orange, and then this one also has an orange tone to it. I definitely would not wear these colors. And then this middle one, this middle color is pretty. This is a color that I would definitely wear. Now, they do have a really nice sheen looking at them. So let's just, I'm going to swatch out. Actually, I'll swatch out all of the colors so you guys can kind of see what they look like. I'll swatch them out. I'm going to do it on my arm. I'm going to swatch out the other orange colors too. Yeah, they're just like, again, they're that one in particular, it's just coming across orange. So hopefully you guys can see that. I know my lights sometimes tend to wash things out. They're definitely pigmented, but they're not as pigmented as like I would have thought they were, which in blush is a good thing because a little bit can go a long way. And sometimes if a blush is really pigmented, then you might put too much on. So that's actually not too huge of a problem. Again, just even swatching out and putting those two orange shades on, especially this Castaway color right here, I just don't think I'd be able to get away with. This color right here, if I went really lightly with and had more of a tan, I think I could get away with it. But the color in the middle is definitely one that I would wear. So I don't know about this palette, you guys. I'm just being honest. That middle shade was beautiful. I would definitely wear that. But those other two shades, I wouldn't gravitate toward them. I wouldn't wear them again. They just look kind of on the oranger side to me. Okay, so the third item is this Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. So that's what the packaging looks like. It's super pretty. It's got like nice stars on it, and I like the rose gold on the packaging as well. So let's take it out and see what it looks like. So, ooh, this is pretty. Actually, this looks really pretty. Let me swatch it out first, and then I will read what it says. Whoa. See, I don't know, you guys, because this is kind of looking like a metallic-y pink color, and I'm a neutral person, as I say in like almost every video I make. I don't know, but like, look at that pigment, look at that shine. That is insane. And I know it's picking up, hopefully it's picking up on camera. Like, that is insane. It's beautiful. I just don't know, for me in particular, if I feel comfortable wearing it. Now I am noticing, like, since it's drying, it's got a lot of gold reflexes in it. It's pink, but it's got the gold reflexes in it. So that's what that looks like. Let's read a little bit about it. So it says, your new Ciate London's Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting, shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic, glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. So maybe if I like blended this out, it wouldn't look as dramatic, and that's what I would have to do, and probably would feel a little bit more comfortable wearing. But this is like crazy. Like, that is definitely intense and pigmented and beautiful. So and also, I don't know if I mentioned, but this retails for $22. I would actually be curious to see what other colors they have in this, because again, this is super beautiful. I actually didn't think I was gonna like it, so I will have to play around with this, see how it comes out on my eyes, maybe go a little bit lighter and blend it out with like my finger, and that might look a little bit less intense than this, but still beautiful. Okay, so this fourth product is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipsticks, and this is in the shade Pinky Promise. So I'm wondering if other people got different shades. So let's see what this looks like. I'm not sure about this color, you guys. I wear a lot of nude colors, but I have heard really good things about the Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. I don't own any. Yeah, I don't know, you guys. Like, this color is just too hot pink for me. I think when I took the quiz, I don't remember, I like get all these quizzes confused, these beauty quizzes when you take them. I don't know if it asked me about like colors for my lips, but I go for nude colors. This just is not in my comfort zone, but it is beautiful. I mean, I could test it out and see, you know, wear very like minimal makeup with a bold lip. So we will swatch this out. I just wish if they were offering different colors, I got a different color. What I like about it though is one swipe of it isn't like too like opaque or thick. It kind of went on sheer, but it's still very pigmented. It has a lot of color. That's what it looks like, as you guys can see. Again, for me in particular, this isn't an everyday color or just a color that I would generally wear. So it says, your new Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelops lips, envelops, we're gonna go with envelops, lips in rich, lawn-wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes, it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. So I'll definitely want to test this out and see what the wear is like, but the shade, as I mentioned, I just don't know about it. But this does retail for $18 if you guys were wondering. The last product is this Bodyography eyeliner pencil, and let's see, this is in the shade Emerald. Now, again, I'm not trying to be like negative. I'm assuming maybe everybody receives the same products because I don't wear green eyeliners. I mean, this is pretty. I will swatch it out for you guys. It honestly, like, just looking at it, it almost kind of looks a little bit turquoisey, not emerald. That's in my opinion. It is a little bit drier. It's not like a really creamy formula, but that's what it looks like, as you guys can see. Maybe around the holidays, this would look pretty like in your waterline. But again, I just, I don't know. I'll have to play around with it maybe around the holidays, but I really typically don't wear green eyeliners, blue eyeliners, anything like that. I'm just going to read a little bit about this pencil. So it says, this vegan, cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet lawn-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define the lips. Okay, so did you guys catch that? It definitely says on this card that this is an eyeliner pencil, and then in the description it says lip pencil. So if this is a lip pencil, I definitely would not wear this like greenish color, turquoise green color. I figured it out. This is definitely an eyeliner pencil. They just put the wrong description in. They probably just put the description for their lip liner pencil by mistake. So phew, because if this was a lip liner pencil, there's no way in heck that I would use this green color. Also, this retails for $14. Glancing at the prices for all of these, it looks like everything combined is a little bit over $100. I know with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, it's like $140 to like $160 I've seen, so you do get a little bit more value in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. but I just figured I would mention that. So for me, this being my first Boxycharm, I am excited about the Glam Glow product. The rest of the products, and I'm just being honest with you guys, I wasn't really too excited about. That's why I asked in the beginning, and I know I'll know the answer. By the time I put this up, does everybody get the same products? Because that would make sense. So the other 4 products, I'm just not that crazy about. The blush in the center of that trio was nice, but those other 2 colors just didn't really cut it for me. So I will continue to get this because I know, just like with Ipsy, some months are bad, some months are good, so we shall see. But let me know in the comments down below, did you guys like your Boxycharm? What products did you love? What products did you not like so much? But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.